In today's video, we are visiting Bottalack and Geevor Mines. Botallack is located between St Just and Land's End, right to the west end of Cornwall. It's an absolutely stunning coastline with scattered engine houses and derelict buildings. But perhaps what it is most famous for, of course, is the filming of Poldark. There are various hiking paths and trails around the area, which is owned and cared for by the National Trust. After this, we headed down towards Geevor. You can wander down around the mining area to the coast for free, and there are also guided tours and a mining museum you can pay to enter. Geevor is just a short walk along the coast path from neighbouring Levant mine. Let's go and take a look around. Georgie. Oh, I felt a bit of rain then. I love it. It's raining.
So George, where are we?
It's raining, yeah. We're at Bottallack today, and it's raining.
Hey, Joey said that's a roller coaster, guys. Apparently we're going on the roller coaster.
It does look a bit like a log.
Apparently that's a volcano. I was trying to record it and he farted. Was it a cave?
tunnel, Mommy.